The issue of juvenile or children in general, that was one of the impressive and touchy topics that I faced in Namibia and in Bosnia, when children were targeted, and they are innocent. So they were targeted, and not specifically, but they were part of the process of violence and revenge. And they were innocent, of course. So it's really agonizing that you see children suffering or killed or buried alive, and they did nothing.
Of course.
So that has triggered my attention into their direction. And actually my PhD was in the specific topic of children legal status in private international law. So I found children topics really challenging and compelling. It's kind of the core part of human rights, children, because children usually, if you go to statistics in any community, children are ranging between 30 to 45 or 46% of any community. So you're talking about at least 1/3 of any community. The problem about children is they are the most vulnerable group and the least protected. And they are the most group, that harshly hit by any conflict. The goal is one. We have all to direct our efforts into one direction, which is fighting human trafficking and bringing peace to any troubled region. The declared policy of my work headquarters also is supporting human rights. Still, violations can happen on individual basis because people or officers are not angels, so there are mistakes. And my concern is to get more connected to my people in terms of raising the awareness of human rights importance and doing their work. And they already do, but it's kind of usually continuously needed, to refresh and to raise the awareness and to keep telling them the importance of abiding by the law, abiding by the rules, abiding by human rights norms, because it's also an embarrassment to the establishment of law enforcement itself that anyone or officer or any personnel does anything wrong or violates the law. Human trafficking involves more than 65% of those people trafficked annually are children. So it's really also very harsh reality that children are suffering both ways, in every step.